Alright, so what's up guys? I just did 4x4 and it went pretty well. I got a +2. It was a 35, but then it was a 37, but it went okay in general. Because I got a 37 and I think I have like around a 38 average. Alright, so what's up guys? I just did 3x3, 6x6. Who's this guy? And next is OH 5x5 at Megaminx, so yeah, I'll see you then. What's up guys? It's Cubing Jedi and I never had that much time to do vlog updates because I had one-handed 5x5 and then Megaminx and I just didn't have any time to do updates then. what we're gonna do now is just wait for like 2 hours and then do 7 by 7. Alright, so what's up guys? I just did 7 by 7 and day 1 is over. For me at least though, so there's Cube going on right now and I think there's one other event after that, but overall I did pretty good. 7 by 7 I got it popped. So 7 by 7 I got a pop but overall it went okay, so see you guys tomorrow. Time for day 2. Alright, what's up guys? Now it's time for my reflection of yesterday's comp. So, it was 4, 5, 6, 7 that day, and I did pretty well in all of them. I made it to finals for 5x5 and 4x4, and I got PBs in both, which was really good. I got 6th place in 6x6, and I forget what place I won in 7x7, but I did pretty bad in 7x7, Megaminx, and OH. That's the only things I need to work on. But the rest, the other 4 are super good. So now it's 3x3, and the finals for 4x4 and 5x5, so see you then. What's up guys? So we're at the venue for the second day. It's the same venue, but today is 3x3. It's the most exciting event and I'm super excited. So what's up guys? I just finished 3x3 and I got a DNF and accounting 12, but then I got accounting 7.1 because I got a 6.8. So right now I'm in 4th place. As you can see, Maddie Ihiroto Inaba.
943 average.
Yeah, 681 single. So I did pretty well. So I'm gonna go to lunch pretty soon and we'll see what happens for 3x3 round 2. Alright, so what's up guys? So I just did a round 2 for 3x3, and I got a 5.58 single. We'll see what we do in 4x4 and 5x5 finals.
選手の方のお名前をお呼びいたします。12位、マーティ・ヒロト稲葉さん。7位、マーティ・ヒロト稲葉さん。
2位、アベレージ 8.78 マティ・ヒロト稲葉さん。
第3位、平均8秒47、ワン・ジャイユーさん。準優勝、平均8秒19、友谷ファーマンさん。優勝、平均7秒94、マーティ・ヒロト稲葉さん。
Okay, so what's up guys? I didn't have time to update you guys on 5x5 and 4x4 finals. I did okay. I got 4th place and I don't know what place in 4x4, but in 3x3 finals, you just saw it. I won. I can't believe it. I won some trophy and this certificate and this envelope of money and stuff, but I don't know what's in it. So, hi. And this is my. Hi. So, yeah, it's gonna be very fun, and the comp is over. And I'll do my closing later, because right now we're eating meat. See you later. Alright guys, so end of the vlog. Time for the reflection of today and the whole entire comp. So, man, I am very surprised with myself. I did just normal in 7x7, good in 6x6, good in 5x5, good in 4x4. I made it to finals in 5x5 and 4x4, and I won 3x3. I can't believe it. It's my first time podiuming, and I won. And it was Japan Open. It had like the top guys from Taiwan, Japan, and China all there, and I beat them all. I cannot believe it. I guess I fulfilled my goal, I guess, but yeah, it was super fun, and I met a lot of nice people, a lot of people who could speak English. So, thank you guys for watching this vlog. I hope you'd enjoyed it. I mean, I enjoyed it because I won, and I got a 5.58 single. I just checked, I'm 29th in the world right now. So, wow. Also, thank you to Tribox for sponsoring me for these like 6 months. They've been really great and sending me all of these new hardware products, and they really helped me in this comp, like the Ganser SM that I got from them. I won with it, and all of my other cubes. Thank you very much. Let me just show you the jacket that they got me. Let's see. On the back right here, it says Madihiro Toyonaba Tribox SCT, which means Tribox Speed Cubing Team. Yes. And it has all these Tribox things on the sleeves right here. It's a very nice jacket. And then on the front is the main really good cool part. So there's Madihiro Toyonaba with the US flag, and then Tribox, and they did it on a Puma jacket, so it looks super cool. And Speed Cubing Team. So yeah, Tribox, thank you for this jacket, and I think it'll be very great for comps because it keeps my hands warm and it's just great. So yeah, thank you Tribox for sponsoring me in this great journey till I won Japan Open. Thank you very much. So yeah, as I was saying, if you enjoyed this vlog, please consider watching my other videos. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day. Yes!